Good morning and welcome to the Great Outdoors. Today we're in the Heybridge Basin. We have a bit of a later start than planned, nothing new, but basically we've had a bit of a hellish journey on the motorways yesterday with all the kids, so we've had a slow start. But anyway, we've popped to the CRS Marine Limited CAF this morning, grabbed ourselves some lunch to take with us. And you'll see Andy's had the drone up here already. We're standing listening to this lovely water cascading through the loch, and we're off for a walk. We do have a map for a long walk, but I'm not sure how much good we're doing. We shall wait and see. So yeah, come along with us along the way. that I am, I must play two sticks.
Hello and welcome back. We're here now in Malden. Malden, the town, is just over there. You'll see just behind us over here is Promenade Park. We done a short little video where we walked along here and up into, I think it was Osea Island or something like that, round there. Just round the corner, which we might get a shot of when we walk round that wall there. You can see the barges and that here as well, which is quite cool. Some sort of like paddle steamer or something by the looks of it over there. We decided just to do a little circular walk, really. We walked, as you would have known, from Heybridge Basin down to Beeleigh Falls, which was where we stayed and had a bit to eat, and then we've made our way back. We've gone back a little bit of a different way. We were following the River Blackwater on the way down. On the way back we followed the River Chelmer, which is the tidal part of the river, and the tide has been predominantly out most of the time. We're going to continue this way. We've not got much further to go now, and we'll be in Heybridge Basin where we will complete our walk. So I'll bring you back when we get there. See you in a bit. Hello and welcome back. We're almost at Heybridge Basin, but I thought I'd just pan you around this area because this is where we had a little walk near Christmas, I believe it was, possibly year before last. And this is the causeway that led over to what I believe to be Osea Island, I think it was called. And that's the island there which we walked around in that video. It was only a very short video. It's quite a pleasant little walk, to be fair, but that is where it is. What I'll do is I'll try and put a link above to that video and in the description, so if you want to pop over and see that, because there's a bit of drone footage of this area as well, hence the reason we haven't bothered putting the drone up here today, because it'd be a bit samey. But yeah, so I'd let you know. Hello and welcome back. We've got here back at Heybridge Basin. as you can see. Just to let people know, there are a couple of pubs here, in the old ship over there, and the Jolly Sailor just there, and the cafe that we started at this morning as well. The weather's been really good, to be fair, considering it's been suggested it's going to rain for most of the day. We've not seen a drop of rain since we've been out, so that's been brilliant. It's been a great little circular walk, to be fair. In total it's around 9.5-ish miles. Basically, as you saw, we went from here up to Beeleigh Falls, had a little look round there, stayed there, had our lunch, then we made it back, as you saw, and as we said, through along the River Chelmer. But yeah, it's a beautiful area here, and we are going to do our utmost to revisit here again, hopefully maybe in the summer or in slightly warmer, brighter weather, when the paths are drier as well, because yeah, it was quite muddy in places, very muddy at points. But definitely recommend coming to visit here. We have in the past booked to have a meal in the old ship, but never made it down here. We hope to make it down there anyway this year to paddle the Blackwater down to the Chelmer in our canoe, so hopefully we'll be able to have a little video of that at some point. And there are other areas along the River Chelmer in particular that we want to visit and walk, and complete a walk that we have created, which would take us all the way to Chelmsford. So we might continue, pick that up from Beeleigh Falls and move our way down to Chelmsford through Alting, I think it is, and places like that. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you could like, comment and subscribe, we'd be much appreciated. But anyway, I'll see you all in the next adventure. Bye for now.